Welcome back. This is gonna be a quick and fast because I don't have memory and I got somewhere to be. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, I'm gonna be all over the place because I have a bunch of different setups and stuffs going on. Okay, yeah, in the name of Jesus, all of that. Boom. Okay, I'm not fighting with anything today. Nothing. If it's not coming out instantly, it's not coming out right now. Ooh, okay, cute. We can work with that. All right, obviously I was having a silvery white day, if you can see all the items that are shown. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's that. Do our next one, just because I know it's fast. This is rapid fire. Ow. All right, yeah. Let's see. Oh, you know, some of these I'm gonna have to fight to get out, but fight to go in, that's why it works. Cool it with peach of eyes. Oh, shiny. Yes. Okay, yeah, this is pretty. A little bit of gold, a little splash of white. And then we have the next one here. I don't know if this one's gonna be as shiny because I think this is the old mold that was giving us that frosted look. I wanted to try it again one more time. Yep. Before I give it up or use it specifically for that. Phone ran out of memory, but yes, frosted. That's what we're gonna go with, frosted mini wheats. And this one, ooh, I already like. Okay, this is interesting. This is very interesting. Don't ask me to repeat it, but that, yeah, that nice. Easy peasy. Love a good easy peasy resin joint. Yes, love it. All right, what else? Because you know we have to move fast. All right, this is a little bendy because it just came out of the machine, but I have faith that it, you know what, let me take out these ones first. I'll fight with that in a second. One, yeah. Two, three, 4, yes. Y'all see I was in a foily mood. 5. Now one of these is gonna be an extra because people be trying to buy stuff one coaster at a time, so that's just an extra if somebody just wants to buy one, because 4 of them fit in the mold when I make it thick. All right, so I did this one on purpose with like a, what you call it, this is not going on the table because it's sticky. But I did that on purpose because I wanted to test out the mold, and it's definitely not giving me the texture I want. So that gone too. All right. I can take this one out maybe. Oh, this one spilled over for real. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Okay, this is pretty. I gotta clean up the edges. And one more. It's the last one. This one. Mighty graciousness, this was a lot for one unmolding video. Oh, come on. And if y'all notice, I don't have them nails on. I'm about to be wearing them like press-ons because I apparently am too rough for the Gel-X. Love them because they make my nails feel normal when they come off, unlike with acrylic where they feel brittle and like sensitive. They still feel like my nails when they come off. But yes, here we are, and we got that, oh, whew, and that. There we are with the 4. Ow, yeah, that looked nice. This nice bud. And then we have an extra one here for anyone who wants to buy a single. And then we got this joint here, and then we got these 2 here. And then we have this one and that one. Ah! Oh, no, so that happened, right? This one, that one. Oh, shoot. And this one. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out Blooming Petals. And just like everything we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.